Hey there YouTube, Darrell Hammond here. DarrellHammond.com is the website. Go ahead and go there and check it out. But first you're going to want to pay attention. I'm doing a review of a new product called ProfitHost. And we are on my bonus page, and the link to that bonus page is down in the description below the video. Go ahead and click on it and it'll take you to this page where you can check out what the product is. There's a brief overview of what the product is, and then there's all those amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. So stick around. We're going to do things a little different today. We're going to probably do the bonuses first, and then we'll jump into the product for a little bit, because there's not a whole lot of stuff I can show you about this product, but you're going to want to see, you know, what it is and what makes it tick, and then we'll kind of peruse the sales page real fast, and then we'll get back to the this bonus page, and then we'll call it a day. So I won't waste too much of your time today. So like I said, we are on my bonus page, and the link again to this bonus page is down below. Just kind of look down there somewhere in the description below this video. You'll find it. It's there. Say Ferris. Anyways, so like I said, we're going to kind of do things a little different today. We're going to go over the this bonus page first, and the pricing and the bonuses, and then we'll jump into the product, and then we'll kind of look at the sales page, and then we'll finish it up. So like I said, let's get into it. So ProfitHost, it's a brand new software that lets you host unlimited websites on a rock-solid cloud servers for a one-time record low fee. If you're paying a lot for web hosting, then this is a product that you'll want to probably look into. I'm set up on Namecheap. I might even throw a link to that below, because I get my web hosting, unlimited web hosting, for as many websites as I want to own for I think it's under 12 bucks a year. It might be a little bit more than that. It's not a whole lot. So, you know, I suppose hosting, using something like this, you could probably save some dollars over a few years. But maybe the headache isn't worth it. I'm not sure. This is something you're going to have to decide on your own, whether you're going to want to have your own hosting for unlimited websites, or if you're going to want to just stick to what you got. I don't know. That's for you to answer. But we're going to cover the product and what it's all about, how much it costs, and the bonuses that you're going to get if you do decide to pick it up. So it's a full-fledged online hosting solution. It's the quickest fully fledged online hosting solution. Repeat. This is a done-for-you campaign, and obviously it needs a little editing. Anyways, it comes with a cPanel, comes with an A panel, which is better and more powerful than cPanel. Of course, there's going to be a learning curve having to figure out what the A panel is all about if you're familiar with the cPanel. So, but as with most products that you purchase, there is a learning curve and some stuff you got to learn. You'll get free SSL licenses. My web hosting with Namecheap, I get the free SSL. I get the free Who's Guard and WhoIsGuard, and so I'm good with that. But if I really needed to have my own hosting, this is probably something I might pick up. So you get one-click setup, cloning, migration, and backup of WordPress, your unlimited domains, unlimited subdomains, automated backups. You can edit your own DNS records with ease. Blazing fast loading images, triple your website speed. There's a one-time payment only, no monthly fees. Comes complete with quality video tutorials and more. Perfect for affiliates, e-com sellers, offline, everyone. 100% newbie friendly, easy to use software. Full commercial rights are included. So there you go, $17. Let's see. Yep, $17 is the cost of this. On the front end, there is a downsell of $15. There's an upsell of, or number one upsell is Pro, an unlimited edition. So I'm assuming that you don't get unlimited websites with the front end offer. I'm not sure about that. Let's see. Upsell number 2. Oh, well, upsell number 1, the Pro Unlimited version, is $37. There is a downsell of $27. Upsell number 2 is the Enterprise Edition, is $47 and a downsell of $37. Upsell number 3 is a DFY Edition, $39, a downsell of $29. Upsell number 4 is the Reseller Edition. It's $197. If you take it on the downsell, you save yourself $100. Upsell number 5 is the IMX bundle. It's $97 and the downsell is $67. So we kind of covered all of this stuff. Let me see. Hang on a second. All right, so I was looking for some more information on each of these upsells, and there isn't any available. All right, so I was unable to find anything about any of these upsells. So I guess if it's something you might be interested in, you're just going to have to kind of go through this each upsell page. I'm sure there's probably a video that kind of goes over what it's all about, and I'm sure there is a page that describes everything that you'll get with those upsells. So and on my sales page, or excuse me, on my bonus page, there is a demo video, so you can check it out when you know, at your leisure. But as for the bonuses, this is the most important part. This is the bonuses you're going to get. And before I go any further, I am a member of Jonah Armstrong's Ministry of Freedom. So these are kind of done for you campaigns that the members get to promote products. And so that's why you'll see his name on these. And see the done for you. I didn't misspell that. It was a done for me. And anyways, ha! Okay, so bonus number 1, access to Aurora with license rights. Bonus number 2 is how to build a WordPress site from scratch. Bonus number 3 is how to explode your SEO. That's always nice because SEO equals free traffic. Bonus number 4 is how to turn your WordPress site into a ClickFunnels. So, let's see. Bonus number 5 are a bunch of vendor bonuses that you'll get, and there is a bunch of them. And let's see, I think each person gets to pick 5. I don't know for sure. Anyways, here we are on the sales page. Let's kind of just go right down here, and yeah, it's pretty much a basic sales page. The bonuses are up to each person to choose, and so these are the vendor bonuses. So more than likely you're probably gonna get all of these. It says to pick 5, but I know with previous ones in the past, usually they just throw a link to this page as the vendor bonuses, and you'll get them all, even though you're only supposed to get 5. But like I said, done for you campaign. I don't control it. Say Ferris. All right, so let's jump into the product real fast. This is Interworks. This is what you're going to get, ProfitHost. And as you can see, it's basically a hosting package. You got a file manager, you got your backups, you have I don't even know how to pronounce that word. You got your cron jobs, your SQL databases. You can set up FTPs. You do your domains here. You have email, and you also get where is it? Bonus ProfitHost. I had it here. Oh, here it is. Here's all of the training, as best as I could find, anyways. These are different. I'm assuming this is the training, but it's got some pretty old dates on them. So this must be a reseller package. Anyways, so this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get all that hosting area that you'll have control over, one low price, so you don't have to continually pay by the month or by the year, especially if you're paying like $10-20 a month to host a couple of websites. You're going to save a lot of money if you go with this. If you have a better deal set up with a different company where you're only paying just a few dollars for unlimited hosting for the whole year, then yeah, it'll take a while to save up a bunch of money for this, or save a bunch of money using this. So anyways, that's the product, that's the training, that's the sales page, and these are the bonuses. Once again, bonus number 1, access to Aurora with license rights. Bonus number 2, how to build a WordPress site from scratch. Bonus number 3 is how to explode your SEO. Bonus number 4, how to turn your WordPress site into a ClickFunnels. And bonus number 5 are all the vendor bonuses that you're going to get. My name's Darrell Hammond. Thanks for watching the video. Go ahead and click like, click dislike. It really makes no matter to me. Either one is considered, what do they call that? I can't even think of what they call it, but YouTube doesn't care either way. It is, yeah, well, we'll worry about it later. Anyways, once again, DarrellHammond.com is the website. Go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought of this mess. Anyways, that's my video. Go ahead and click the subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and you'll be privy to another mess that I make next. Anyways, you have a wonderful day. I'm out of here. See ya.